Hello, Special Care. Hello, Mr. Matt. How are you today? We're just fine. Hello, Special Care. How are you? It's nice to see you here today. Hello, at home. How are you? It's nice to see you here today. And hello, at school. How are you? It's nice to see you here today. Hello, everybody, everywhere. It's nice to see you here today. Today, we're going to read a book about birds' nests because you might find a bird's nest in your backyard or your front yard or up near your house while you're outside in the spring. Some of them are laying their eggs in their nests, and some of their babies are going to grow up and hatch pretty soon this summer. So we're going to read this book, Mama Built a Little Nest, and then we're going to go outside in my backyard and we're going to check up on all of the things that have been growing in my yard during the spring. And we're going to compare them to last time, and we're going to see how much bigger they might have gotten. Mama Built a Little Nest was written by Jennifer Ward. Jennifer Ward wrote all the words. And Steve Jenkins, he made all the pictures. So Jennifer Ward, who wrote all the words, is the author of the book. The author writes the words. Steve Jenkins, who made all the pictures, is our illustrator, because the illustrator creates the pictures. Check out all these different birds and all their different nests. Mama built a little nest inside a sturdy trunk. She used her beak to tap, 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 the perfect place to bunk. Mama built a little nest, a cup so wee and snug, with walls of moss and roof of sky and silky cobweb rug. A hummingbird nest. Mama built a little nest. Well, actually, she didn't. She found one that another made, and then she laid me in it. That's a cowbird. And she put her baby egg inside somebody else's nest for somebody else to take care of. Mama built a little nest. My daddy helped out too. They placed my egg upon his feet. That's where I hatched and grew. A daddy penguin will carry the baby egg right there on his feet. Morgan Freeman told me all about that one time. Mama scraped a simple nest upon a craggy ledge. She tucked me safe within her wings until my time to fledge. Look at that. I've seen an eagle do that before. Daddy built a little nest, and then he built another and another and another, hoping to impress my mother. That's a wren, and he's made a whole bunch of different nests so that Mama can choose one. He wanted to give her choices. Mama built a little nest. She used her beak to sew a woven nest of silky grass, the perfect place to grow. A weaver bird has made that nest, weaving pieces of grass and sticks all together. Mama built a little nest by digging out a burrow. It was a hoot, our little home, a safe and feathery furrow. Did you know there were owls that dug nests in the dirt? Mama built a little nest. She gathered twigs that float and placed them on the water to create a cozy boat. Mama built a little nest, and she made it on the ground. A simple nest, not very soft, with pebbles, smooth and round. This bird has camouflaged its nest. Can you find the nest of eggs? 1, 2, 3. It's a cool hiding place. Daddy built a little nest, now don't gross out, with spit. Who would have thought that spit would make a perfect place to sit? It's a swiftlet nest. And in some places, people eat those nests made out of bird spit, and they're in a very expensive soup. David Attenborough told me about that one time. Mama built a sealed nest within an old tree's hollow. My daddy left a little hole to pass her food to swallow. There's Mama inside, and there's Daddy who's gonna bring them something to eat. Mama built a sturdy nest by stacking twigs up high, a breezy house upon a tree where talons meet with sky. Now there's a big eagle's nest right there in the middle of that big old tree. Mama built a little nest entirely out of mud. No feathery down, no soft green plants, just fuddy muddy crud. A flamingo's nest is made out of mud. You have a nest, your very own, a place to rest your head with pillows soft and cozy thoughts. Your nest is called a bed. There's someone's bed, and you can see out the window the little birds in their nest. Now stay tuned, because right after this, we're going to go on a tour outside in the backyard, and we're going to see what we can find that's been growing up and out. Because baby plants grow in the dirt, that's where you find a seed. A gentle rain and bright sunshine is really all you need. As it grows up from the ground, the plant will start small, then up and out until it's very tall. Grown-up plants are oh so strong, with seeds that fall and then traveling far or very close, ready to grow again. One more time, ready. Baby plants grow in the dirt, that's where you find a seed. A gentle rain and bright sunshine is really all you need. As it grows up from the ground, the plant will start out small, then up and out until it's very tall. Grown-up plants are oh so strong, with seeds that fall and then traveling far or very close, ready to grow again. That's it. Now follow me, and we're going to go look outside. Okay, here we go out the back door. A lot of the clovers disappeared. So we're going to go in the back of the yard, all the way to the back, and we are going to look for some little pears. We're going to go see if the pears are growing, if they have grown any bigger than they were the last time we saw them. Here's two, and we're going to compare both of these. There they are on the left last week, and on the right, there they are today. There's the flower at the base of the baby pear where the flower used to be. Let's look over here. A couple of more pears growing. They're going to get much, much bigger by the end of the summer. At the beginning of the fall, these pears will be ready to get picked. Here's our funny little pear. You can see it's getting bigger too. Really, they're all over when you look very, very closely. But this tree, we forgot to talk about this tree the last time that I took you to the backyard. This is our mulberry tree. And the mulberries are almost ready to fall off the tree. Here they are. They're kind of green right now. They're going to get darker and darker until they're very dark purple. And then all of these tiny little mulberries are going to start to fall off the branches of the tree. And we can pick them and eat them. You can put them in jams or jellies. This tree is covered in mulberries. Oh, check this out. This is something new that's blooming right over here. This is an azalea bush, and it's got tiny little pink flowers. Look, do you see the little insect? Oh, there it went. Let's follow it. It's drinking the nectar on the azalea flowers. Do you see it? A little blue and black insect. Then back over here, these are our blackberries. This is our blackberry patch. We showed you the blackberry patch. It's growing and growing. It had little white flowers on it today. And check this out. Right here, you can see all of the things that are happening at the same time. We got the flower, the bud, where the flower came from, and the berry that it's going to be next. Soon, the whole vine will be covered in these blackberries. Right now, they're teeny tiny and they're green. You can see the flowers on the left from last week, and those are what the blackberries are looking like right now. More blackberry vines that are growing up. Hopefully, we'll get lots of good blackberries this year. Our alliums that are under the apple tree. Look how much bigger the apples are getting. They're all around. You have to look for them. Last year, the tree was covered in apples. Look at that. The apples used to be really small, and now they've gotten much, much larger. As these apples get bigger and bigger, that will almost completely go away. But you can still find them when you're in the store. Let's see. Apples, apples, apples. There's 2 right there. Getting bigger and bigger. There's another one right here. So those are going to fill this tree. And if we're lucky, I'll get to bring apples to school again, and you can taste them, which would be pretty cool. Now over here, we're going to go look at, these are our dahlias. They've gotten much, much larger. They've grown up and out in a really big way since I showed you. Let's look. Right there on the left, there is the baby dahlia from last week. And on the right, today. It's grown up quite a bit. The leaves are strong and apparently very delicious. And our fig tree is sprouting. So every year it looks like this. It looks like twigs. And then it grows and grows. And over here, our honeysuckle and Lenny. Lenny's been a very good boy, very good helper. And here's the honeysuckle. Look how much it has grown. Every day it gets some water and sunshine, and the leaves get bigger and bigger, and hopefully it's going to go up, 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 all the way to the top of the pergola, growing and growing. On this side of the yard, this is our little test garden. We've got some lilies and grasses and flowering plants. We planted all of these things, and we're going to wait and see if these things grow. So hopefully they'll also be growing up and up and out and out. And this is our little test area. So that's it. We've looked at the pears and the mulberries, the blackberries, the apples, the figs.
Did you see all that stuff? It's growing and growing. It's getting bigger and bigger. It's growing up and out. And fingers crossed we can keep it alive, and we'll see how much bigger it gets over the next few weeks. Bye-bye, special care. Bye-bye, Mr. Matt. Have a good day today.